are pie prepping. It's Monday night. Thanksgiving is Thursday. I'm making my real pie on Wednesday. KitchenAid mixer is out. We're ready to go. Let's hope this goes well. Pie's in the oven. It's 9:10. I did some braided edge action, and I think my fall leaves, to me they look like pot leaves, so that's cool. Nobody better say anything. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's see, 16 minutes and 48 seconds left. I accidentally broke this off, and then these, I forgot to put an egg wash on them, so that's why they're not browned. But I think next time I will put the egg wash on them, put them on the pie sheet, or the baking sheet alone, and then lift them off with the spatula and put them on the pie. So I've been Instagram living for the past few hours, and then I realized, oh, I didn't vlog anything. So I've been busy. I cleaned out my fridge, so now I can show you. I pre-made 2 corn casseroles, well, the batter, so I can bake these tomorrow. And then this is the stuff that I gotta bring. Got my pans out to bring, some pop, and then I baked the pie. The leaves look way better this time. So yay, there's that. Cleaned the house mostly. Did a ton of laundry because my mother-in-law is coming on, today's Wednesday, so tomorrow's Thanksgiving. And then she's coming Saturday and staying till Sunday. So, and then I got some stuff to make some gingerbread, which you will see that later. And then tonight, I think I'm gonna do this face mask. Put this down. This Bliss face mask, the real peel. It's a peel off. I've never done, well, I haven't done a peel off in like years. It's called the Electric Blue Peel Off Face Mask. It's a detox mask, which I need. And then I got these fake nails. I was just getting a little bored, so I think I might do these tonight too. But yeah, I've just been prepping. I have this Christmas jazz station on. It's a YouTube video. It's like 4 hours long. Oops. I will link it down below. They have tons of different styles, like jazz and most, like, all calming music, but they just added a bunch of Christmas videos. That's exciting. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving Eve. I'm all prepped. All I have to do is get ready in the morning. I'm so excited. This has glitter in it. Can you see it? Sparkling? I didn't know that. It doesn't say that. So I don't think so. Yummy! First hot chocolate of the season on Thanksgiving Eve. And I've got a Hallmark movie recording because why not? So I'll watch that, drink this, and then at some point peel this off. I'm a little nervous. Oh, look at you, just ready to go. How's your cocoa? Oh my god. Oh!
Yes, I'd like to confirm my reservation.
Happy Thanksgiving! I'm on pie duty because I wrapped it in the world's smallest piece of tin foil. So it keeps flying off, and I don't trust not seeing it the whole time. So the whole hour and 24 minutes, it will be in my lap. Do you have any Thanksgiving thoughts?
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
I got fancy Thanksgiving nails.
They look great.
They're glue-ons. Well, I want to try the class, so I'll give you this.
I live 8 minutes from Kiddo. Like, if I get in my car, I can drive to Qdoba in 8 minutes. The fact that I can't order circle, it's a 20-minute circle this way, 20 minutes. They go up the whole.
Hello? Potty's here! Wait, so there's 1, 2, 3.
Whatever you want.
4 pies. How many people? 4 pies, 5 people. I like those odds.
It was 3 people. Yeah.
And I have leftover practice pie and leftover in-law pie, so.
Usually overnight or I forgot about
Oh god, that gravy is so freaking good.
Is that your gravy to take home?
No.
Well, you're dribbling in it. You're drooling in it.
That's
No
fine.
drooling in my gravy.
Is he, Molly?
Drooling in the gravy?
Can you do a whipped cream reenactment?
I want to try that thing where you go.
Oh,
You know
do
what
it.
I'm talking about? Game? It's gonna get in my hair.
Okay.
It's gonna hit the light. Okay, Mom, will you be mad at me if this gets on the floor? And it's gonna go. Doesn't it have to like melt a little bit so it'll
Wait.
Not enough to fly around.
I'm scared. How do I hit my arm hard enough?
Okay.
Do I go like that? You know?
Yeah.
Ow!
Wait.
Maybe you need the other kind of whipped cream.
Oh my god.
Ow!
That's sad.
Can we watch a video of someone doing this?
Yeah, maybe.
I think you need a little more.
That little bit may have been big enough mess.
I'm just gonna do it, Mom. Oh. Set, go.
How'd you do that? Ew! Sick! How did you do that?
She used a whole bunch.
How'd you do that?
Look, makeup and whipped cream.
Ew! Sick!
I'm good.
Well, the girl in the video I just watched had a small blob.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Mom, why am I so bad at this? Why can't I do it?
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened with that one. Excuse me.
Look,
Give me a minute. Oh my god.
if you had
Don't get all
one
Get
shot,
on the towel.
one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment,
Molly.
Let me see what
That's what
happened.
Molly did.
Ha
Molly.
What?
Molly.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, you made the biggest mess of anybody.
Yeah.
Hey, get off your
It's all over there. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Watch
Carly
me.
did it the first time.
That's why I was trying
Right
to come
in
in
her
all,
mouth.
trying to come
Ready?
in all cocky.
Come.
You almost had it.
Ew! Did it get in my hair?
No.
You need to hit your arm further back. That's how I finally did
And
it.
then I kind of sprung up my elbow.
Yeah, like go.
Okay, ready?
Further back. There.